let's make a pipe cleaner toothless. First, you're gonna start with our normal X. You're gonna twist it all the way down, but not all the way because we need the front legs and the back legs. So you're gonna twist it until it looks like this. And then you're gonna make your little W shape. These are gonna be the hind legs. You're gonna make a little loop here for the foot, and you're gonna repeat that on the next leg. And then you're gonna curve it down so it looks something like this. Now it's time to start on the front legs. You're gonna wanna make the front arms do a little touchdown, and then you're gonna fold them and bind them into the center. Now we're gonna take another pipe cleaner and add it right here. Wrap that thing once. You're gonna fold it up like a V. You're gonna wrap the remainder all the way down the leg, and you're gonna make it into a paw. You should have something that looks a little bit like this. Now you're gonna take 4 pipe cleaners, fold them like this, bend it one more time, and you're gonna put it right here. See that? Now you're gonna take another pipe cleaner, and you're gonna start at the top, and you're gonna wrap all the way down. You're gonna take another pipe cleaner for the back legs. You're gonna wrap it once around the section, and then put it right here. That way we thicken the back legs until it looks something like this. Now you're gonna take another pipe cleaner and you're gonna put it towards the top. But start a little bit behind the front legs. You're gonna bend it down like this, and right at the elbow, you're gonna wrap it once. And you're gonna do the same for the other leg. And from there, you're just gonna wrap it all the way around the leg. Now it's time for the tail. For this, you're gonna need 2 blacks and 1 red. Start by taking one, folding it all the way in half, and you're gonna make it with some frills like this. You're gonna wrap it up and then down so it looks like this. Do a little loop at the very tip of that so it's like this. Into that little piece that we folded, we're gonna wrap it once, twice. Now repeat that same step with the red, and then you're gonna attach it to the black. And finally, you're gonna take one more black, and right at the tip, you're gonna wrap it once, twice, until it disappears, and you're gonna wrap it all the way down. Now this is where it gets tricky, so pay attention. You're gonna take this and put it right underneath until it looks like this. And there you guys go. Like and comment for part 2. I'll see you guys next time.